There you go.
All right, tell us when you're ready.
No, I am ready. We're recording. So, awesome. Please solve the following linear system of inequalities. You do not need to show a test point. Okay? That being said, could somebody tell me when we have less than, which way you're going to shade? Down, right? What about greater than?
Oh.
Okay, awesome. I'll do one of these in red, one of these in blue. Okay? Somebody want to generalize what the steps are for solving a system?
I'll get out my notes and check.
Good, I don't mind. Does anybody know it off the top of their head?
Actually, no, never mind.
Question is, what are the general steps for being able to solve an inequality? A system of inequalities, when there's two of them. What do you got? Graph both lines. Shade both areas. And look for where they intersect. I love the word intersect instead of overlap. Okay, I'm going to do the top one in red. Could somebody tell me up there if it's going to be a solid or dotted line? Solid. Okay, it's going to be negative slope or positive slope? Okay, and then which side are you going to shade? Below it or above it? Less than or equal to? Okay, so we better make one of those when we're done. Just a little bit of preview in your mind's eye. Okay? Awesome. So, B equals 7, M equals negative 2 over 1. Corey, first dot goes where? Which axis? Awesome. So I start at 7, and Victoria, what's the slope going to be? Down 2. Down over? Right. Right 1. Good. So it's going to be what with that? It's going to be down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Oh, I'm very sorry. I did not hand rulers out. Uh-oh. Bad teacher. Guys, do me a favor. Make sure you're being real careful. Okay? And then would we say solid dot or? Yeah, solid. Solid or dotted? Solid? Solid? Got it. Okay. And what side are we shading? Shade down? Well, what's more left than right? Which way's down? Here and down, right? Okay. Awesome. Now in blue. In blue. I'll get you guys rulers in a second. Just make the line. Okay. Great. What's the deal? Am I making a solid or dotted line? Okay, dotted. Positive or negative slope? Negative slope? Okay. Okay, this problem's very interesting, by the way. This is not like one you guys have seen, so hopefully it'll be good. Okay, what side am I going to shade? Above it or below it? What's that say, Lauren? What's it say? Greater or less? You can look at your paper if you're far away. Above, okay. So I need to make one of those when I'm done, right? Okay, so, Andy, what's the y-intercept for that one? Negative 1. Izzy, what's the slope? Awesome. Hey, what do we notice all of a sudden? That's the same as the other one, right? So I better get parallel lines here, okay? So what's the deal? Start at negative 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. And this is the part that's a little bit different here. I'm glad we are doing this problem. Now which way am I going to shade? Well, wait, just for the...
Above.
Above. Okay, so that's going to be this, right?
And then the middle.
Right, because that's where the overlap is. Does everybody see right here, this alley? That alley, but I got a problem. I made a mistake. What was the mistake I made? Does everybody see it? Look, what type of line? Dotted, right? Sorry for those of you that are watching at home in TV land that are just getting it. Okay, great. Now, just real quickly. This area up here, true for one, or true for both, or true for neither? Which one, the blue or the red?
Blue.
Good. Down here, true for one, true for both, true for neither? True for the red? Okay. What's the deal with the yellow highlighted part?
Both.
What for both? True, and that's the nature of what word in the directions? Solve. Remember, it's solve. You're finding missing information that makes it true. Okay, I'll throw that up on YouTube later. That's under 5 minutes, guys. That's great.